Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to withdraw money and how to request withdraw on PrizePicks. The first thing I want you to do is log into your PrizePicks account, and then here at the top right you'll see your balance. So go ahead and click on that. And then what you can do is just go ahead and scroll down, and here you should see request withdrawal, right? Go ahead and hit request withdrawal, and under here you'll see withdraw funds. And you'll see a withdrawable balance, so it's the same one so far. And we have our saved methods. Now, one thing about PrizePicks, you can only request withdrawal on the same payment method that you deposited money using. So if you deposit money using PayPal, you'll be withdrawing to PayPal as well. So you choose your PayPal account, enter the withdrawal amount, let's do $50, and hit withdraw. And then enter the 6-digit verification code. It'll send to your email, confirm that. As you can see, withdrawal request has been sent. Then just wait for 1 to 3 business days. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.